Yep, it's fish. And by the way, I touched the eyeball. Ugh.
We worked with Cooking Craze to make this video. You can download Cooking Craze in the link in our description. Cooking Craze is a brand new game where you're an experienced chef and it's time to put your talents to the test. Not all customers are alike, and as you travel across the world, you will find new foods to explore and tastes to cater to. Enjoy classic time management mechanics mixed with a delicious array of unique quests. It's the craziest cooking edition yet.
Today we're going to do What's in the Box Challenge! But before we get started, subscribe to my channel and give us a big thumbs up! What's in the Box Challenge!
We're going to be doing the What's in the Box Challenge. We reach our hand in a hole in a box and we have to feel what's inside of it.
It's gonna be yucky and we're gonna guess.
We're going to go oldest to youngest, so I guess I'm first. All right, round one.
All right, Steven, it's in the box.
Oh, what is that? I think I know what it is. I think I already know what it is. I think it's grapes. All right, time to see what it is. There. Oh, it's olives. I thought it was grapes. They feel like grapes. Time for round two.
All right, Steven.
Yes.
I really do hope it's not grapes. Oh. Oh, this is cold. It's kind of cold. Ugh. I have no idea what this is. It feels like it's bread under it. Ugh. What is it? Oh. Is it like chocolate or something? Let's see what it is. Ugh. Ugh. It's chocolate cake. Ugh. It felt so disgusting, but it tastes so good. Time for round three.
All right, Steven.
Yes? I'm kind of scared this time. Oh, are these worms? Are these worms? Please tell me these are worms. These are worms. Oh, so slimy. Oh, disgusting. Of course they're worms. Oh, why? It's time to see what it really is. Ugh. What in the... That's an octopus. Oh. Probably raw too. Time for round four. Oh dear. What is it?
All right, Steven.
Yes? Is this a... What is this? This is frozen. Ooh, what is this? Oh, great. Oh, I feel meat. Oh. Is this frozen fish? Is this a frozen fish? It's a frozen fish, isn't it? That's my guess. It's a frozen fish. Time to see what it really is. Of course! Ew. I gotta go wash my hands. Final round!
Okay, Steven.
Yes? You ready? Oh man, I have to get this over with. Oh. Is this a starfish? Oh. Spider, I think. I know what this is. It's a remote control spider. Okay, and see what it is. It's a remote control spider, I knew it. Yup, remote control spider. I remember you. Let's see how Taylor does.
My turn. Let's do it one. I'm so nervous to do this challenge. What is that thing? Is it a hot dog? Is it a toy? Ew! It's so weird. What is it? I think it's hot dogs. Oh, it's olives. They do not smell good. I wasn't even close. I thought it was so funny. Time for round two. Woo. I need gloves. 1 second, I need to think about happy thoughts. I can do it, I can do it, I can do it, I can do it, I can. And just scared. Is it fish? It is fish. Ah! I can't take it. It's fish. I think it's fish because it's squishy. Or is it meat? Time to see. That's a brownie! You need to bite. They're good. Chocolate cake is good. I'm going to like this challenge. Time for round 3. I'm scared. I'm scared. Is it going to be ice cream or what is it? Where is it? It stinks. It gotta be fish. I don't want to touch it. It smells so bad, I'm guessing it's fish. What is that? I'm glad I didn't touch that. That's an octopus. That's the grossest thing I ever saw. Time for round 4. Where is it? Yeah! What is that? What is scary. I hate fish. Finally, the last one. I'm scared. What's that? What is that? What is that? What is that thing? It feels weird. That feels so weird. I think it is clay. Let's see how Payton does. It's my turn. Here goes round one. Is it clay? It's on a little, like, olives. Oh, it smells gross. I wish they were clay. Let's do round two. Is it fish? Wait. Disgusting. It's on me. Chocolate? Let's see what this is. Cake? It's cake? It feels so squishy. See? It's good. Let's see what's next. Time for round three. I'm scared. This scares me so much. What is this? It feels squishy and round. I don't know. It feels like a circle, just a circle. Let's see what it is, I guess. Is that a baby squid? It's an octopus! Disgusting! I touched an octopus. Round four. I'm nervous after that last one. This? No! Don't tell me if it's fish or not. I think it's fish. Ah! Did I touch its eye? This game is disgusting. Did I touch its eye? What did I touch? Its bum? It's time for the final round. Excuse me. What is that thing? This or tarantula? A real one? Oh. It was the toy one. It's Jordyn's turn. I'm not sad about this. Time for round one. Ew. Ew. What is that? It feels weird. It feels like grapes. Let's see what's inside. What kind of grapes are these? Oh! Smell gross. I don't like the smell of these olives. Round two. Poop. Chocolate. I really hope it's chocolate. Let's see what it is. Chocolate cake. Ooh, I want to eat it. It feels kind of gross, but I'm happy that I got cake. Yes. Round three. Can you like to feel it? Ugh. Is it tuna fish? Smell like tuna fish. Let's see what it is. What is that? An octopus? Ew! I'm not eating this at all. It's squishy and stinky. That was disgusting. Round four. Fish, I bet. It feels like fishy. Yep, it's fish. And by the way, I touched the eyeball. Ugh. Touch the eyeball. Time for the last round. It's so funny. Look, I bet it's a spider. It's a giant spider! I knew it! That was actually kind of fun.
Our question for the day is, what was the grossest thing in the box? Subscribe to our channel.
Comment below. Guys, a big thumbs up. And we'll see you guys tomorrow.
Bye.